Okay, guys, let's take a quick look at the chart for this stock that I purchased today. And this is my watch list right here. And let's find, I think I passed it. Here it is. Celsius Holdings. $33.66 is what it closed at. It lost $1.20 today, 3.44%. Let's take a quick look. And as you can see, this is a 1 day. Let's go to a 1 year. Okay, so as you can see, it has really struggled. We were at $64. The 1 year high is $66.74, and the low is $32.36. So we're very close to the low. If you look at a 5 year, you're about here. So, you're not towards the bottom on a 5 year. It's been down lower. Let's go and look at the last month. And it's on a downward trend, and also the last 6 months. So it's lost a lot of percentage in the last 6 months. Now, keep in mind, we've had a war. We got a war going on. We've got high diesel fuel. They bought out Rockstar, and that costs money. So right now, they need to get past these high gas prices. That's probably going to hurt them for at least 3-4 months. Now, you could see a spike in the stock if something happens with the war and the price of fuel goes from, let's say, 95 or 100 all the way back to the 75 range. You should see this spike up at least $10 a share. So one of the reasons why I really like this particular stock is because the PE ratio, this is incorrect. This 134, that is incorrect. I've calculated the new PE ratio, and it is at, this is trading at 20 times their cost per share. So the history of Celsius has typically trades between 60 to 80 times. So right now at 20 times is very rare for this stock. It very rare does it trade at that. And what you're doing is you're taking advantage of the fact that you're catching it with these high oil prices, and it's also, you're catching it right after this transaction of buying out Rockstar Energy. So you've got this whole combination where they've got this extra expense. Then now they have also another factor was they're inside of Costco, and apparently Costco has a new energy drink that is for $1, and Celsius energy drink is like $1.80. So it's like 80 cents more, or could even be $2. So it's like $1 more than the competitor inside of Costco. But to be quite honest with you, just because something is $1 cheaper doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to buy that product. Sure, some people will. And people will definitely try the product that's for $1. But look at how Celsius is struggling in this last 6 months. And you're talking about a competitor that's selling for half the price of Celsius. Celsius is at 50% profit. So the other company that's doing it at those dollars, that's unrealistic. That's unrealistic. They're not going to survive. You can't have those high gas prices of diesel and do your distributing and be able to stay in business. So sure, right now, it will cause Celsius to struggle a little bit. But for the people who attempt to try this energy drink in Costco for the cheaper price, sure, they'll try it, but they may not like it. Like, now, if it tastes good and it tastes just as good as Celsius, or it tastes better, then yeah, you'll have a lot of people switch to the cheaper one when they're buying at Costco. But I just don't see the other brand being able to stay in business that way. I just don't see them having small profit margins with this day and age with these type of gas prices. So that's my 2 cents. So yes, I purchased this stock today. I am going to hold this stock. I think that, I mean, yeah, sure, it could 1x one day. It also could go to $20. Who the hell knows? But I just think, you got to remember too, Pepsi owns 11% of this company. I don't see this stock failing. They've got good financial reports. They just bought out a big player, which is Rockstar. Everybody's heard of Rockstar energy drink. So they basically bought them out. So usually a company that's buying out another big energy drink and has a company like Pepsi owning 11%, you just have too many positive things that are happening. And once they get past these oil prices and these diesel prices, this company should be fine. Now, they do have a quarterly report coming up on May 7th that we do need to pay attention to. And it could be very poor because of the fact of, the money that they had to pay for the loan to buy Rockstar. Now, they did use a lot of their own cash, but they did still get out a loan. And that loan causes them to show less profit. So their margins will not be as strong. And we could see a little more dip on the stock. It's so hard to say. It's so hard to say. We don't know what's going to happen on March or May 7th. That's when the report is, May 7th. So we don't know what to expect. It could be, the oil prices could go super low around that time, and that helps the stock. Who cares? We're trying to do this for the long run, and I do believe that I will make some money on this. I hope to. Now, I didn't go crazy. I only bought 5,000 shares, and if it continues to go down, I'll add another 5,000. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And this is my stock of the day that I purchased. This is, it's not every day that I make a video. I'm not one of those regular YouTubers who just makes a video so I can try to make some advertisement revenue. I actually make my money in stocks, and I don't need YouTube to pay for it. And I don't need to make, force myself to make YouTube videos every day and have titles 5x this stock and, like all these YouTubers do. I'm just not that type of person. So when you see me make a video, it's usually something about an alert for you. Now, guys, I do have my stock chat room. You can become a member of the stock chat room at stockmarketjimmy.com. Just click the join button, and you have to have a Discord account. You set up a Discord account for free. Most of you guys probably already have one, but if you don't, it's free. Just go to discord.com and set up a Discord account, and then purchase the monthly membership. It's $14.95 a month, and you get access to all of my stock picks and anything that I buy and sell. Okay? All right, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.